Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Let's have a Merry, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. I just went to like the 5 stages of Christmas. People, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas. My name is Rakeedah. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and if I haven't said it already, Merry Christmas. So listen, we're gonna be here real quick, and I got dolled up for Christmas for y'all. And also because they be trying to catch me slipping. Every year I get up and I don't put on makeup and everything. Everybody want to take family pictures and have me in the pictures looking crazy. Not this year, alright? I will be looking cute in 2023. Anyway, and, okay, I also want to show y'all what I got for Christmas. I ain't get a lot. Folks want checking for me this year. They said I did too much. They said I did too much for Christmas for myself. Okay, and my husband said he said he ain't checking for me this year. If you haven't already seen my luxury purchases for 2023, I will link that video. But yeah, this gonna be short and sweet. I ain't gonna lie. But let me quickly show you what I did get, because I'm so excited and grateful for what I did get. Oh, and let me before we even get, let's get the elephant out the room right now. Okay, let's get the elephant room right now. I don't do disclaimers. I don't do the whole, you know, listen, I'm not here to brag and do that. I don't do that. I don't do that. Let me tell you why. Let me explain. It's not because I'm an a-hole. It's not. It's because, one, you know what this video is about. You clicked on it. I humbly state it, okay? With all due respect, you clicked on the video. Okay, and secondly is because just because I'm excited about something don't mean it's bragging about something. Excited and bragging is 2 different things. Okay, and how you take it seems like a you problem. I'm gonna move on though. I'm gonna move on. I don't want to tussle. Not on Christmas. I don't want to tussle, so I'm gonna move on. Let's get into what I first got. Now I was thinking, girl, it's a Stanley Cup. It's not just any Stanley Cup. It's a personalized Stanley Cup. Y'all see what that say? It say, hold on. Okay, there you go. It say Rakeedah's closet. That's not what it say. Child, what it say? It says luxury has no limits. Rakeedah's closet. Talk about self-promotion while I'm fancy. This was a very thoughtful gift, okay, that I appreciated. This my family so good to me. They are so good to me. I love this. Ain't nobody better use my cup. Nobody better use my cup. It got my name on it, literally. Next. Now, I'm not going to act surprised. I'm not, because obviously I already opened my presents, okay? Friends that's been friends with me for a minute know the way my patience is set up. Ain't no way I was waiting on Christmas to open my presents, okay? So I seen these before. This is your first time, not my... These, oh, hold on. You need to close the look. These are not just any Air Force Ones. These are not just any. Y'all see that bling? Y'all see that bling? Chill. Okay. Hold on. Y'all see that bling? Okay. That's Swarovski's crystal. No, it's not. I don't know if that's what that is. But it is blinged out Air Force Ones. Now it just say chrome metallic. So I don't know what type of gems or crystals that is. But I know they fly. Okay. Yes, honey. Alright. Show y'all what I got next. Alright. Okay. Now. Okay, listen, let me explain. First of all, it's a running thing. I know you like, girl, if you pull out another shoe. First of all, my husband ain't gonna buy me clothes unless I specifically ask for some. And I don't need no clothes right now. I don't need no clothes. And he ain't buying me no more legs. He ain't buying me no bags. So these are the things that he's heard me mention that I won't. So I had recently bought a pair of Jimmy Choo Timberlands, but I wasn't wearing them the way I wanted to because I didn't want to get messed up. Chill, they were like $800. I didn't want to get messed up. So I got a pair of regular Tims that I usually always get, and I needed the regular Tims. So I got them. I was like, girl, would you get to the fun? I'm coming. I'm coming. Let me enjoy my gifts that I appreciate and that I'm grateful for. Because trust me, my family won't mess with me this year. I ain't got a lot to go. I promise. Now listen, put your sunglasses on. Because these is bright. Alright? These is bright. Look how cute these are. Oh my god. Oh my god. So listen, I'm thinking my Versace belt. I'm thinking my Brandon Backwood bag. I'm thinking all black with my Versace bag. Like, listen. These is a store. These is a, yes, I said these is. These is a store, honey. Alright, y'all see that little silver gold, so what? That's not right. Y'all see that silver hardware? It is all pink. Even the Nike swoosh is pink. Well, I had to make the sound when I said swoosh. I could have just said swoosh. I could have just said Nike swoosh. But no, it's Nike swoosh. Like it. Okay, I'm gonna get to the main event. Alright? So this is my main Christmas present. This is the Fendi First in the medium in black. Obviously it's not an unboxing because I wasn't waiting for y'all. I wasn't. My husband gave me this. I wasn't waiting for y'all. So it is again in the medium. So let's just go over it really quickly. Alright, it is a clutch. Okay, but it does come with, you open it, there's like a little button here. You open it that way. Alright, inside it does have the Fendi Zuka print. Alright. And then there is the strap, and to attach the strap, now I just got this, so I don't know why I'm trying to act like an expert, but you pull, there you go, you push and pull out the D-rings, alright, and then you clip it on. I wanted this bag forever, okay? I thought I wanted the Carmel version, but he said my money paying for the black one. That's okay. Alright, and then also I didn't have any casual or going out black, like all of my black bags were work or business bags. So yes, that was a good call. And then here's the Zuka print, obviously gold hardware. And then I put the dust bag in here. Here is the dust bag. Okay. And then it does not have feet. But here she is. I have one. I finally have a Fendi First. Merry Christmas to me. Let's have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay, I can't stay here long because the only thing that's going to make this Christmas better after this Fendi First is the food. It's the food. and I ain't cook. So not only did I not cook, and I got a bag, I'm about to get served. Macaroni and cheese, corned greens, chicken. I got to go. But of course, I hope you guys had a very, very Merry Christmas. I mean, it goes without saying, Christmas is not about the gifts. But if you do get some, I'm very sure you are grateful for them. But I'm more sure that you are grateful for your loved ones. And if you're not, you should be. You should be. Talk to Jesus about that, okay? But if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me. And then keep up with me. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram at Rakeedah's Closet. And I will see you beautiful people in the new year. Merry Christmas and bye!